We're back out on the drive. We're working on the John Deere F525. Going to put in a primary drive belt, pretty small one. We got the OEM part. You can see right there the part number. This is an OEM part. I've bought this tractor in 2001. It's got about 500 hours on it. The belt I'm taking out is the original belt. We're putting on a new one. The one in there is starting to fray. This is the belt that goes from the engine up to the pulley wheel, the intermediate for the belt deck. So we did the deck belt before. Go back and look at that one if you want to see how to do the primary or the secondary belt. Primary belt here is easy. Going to show you how. Stay tuned, like and subscribe. You won't miss nothing. So the primary belt is the one down here on the bottom. All right, it's underneath this belt. You can see how it comes up and goes all the way back by the motor there. There's a key to getting that off. It's held tight by this same tensioner for the other deck. So if you bring this around, you take the tension off of this belt. You can get that belt off and make the other one come out. So let's see how we do that. All right. So we loosen that belt. All right, so we should be able to get this one off. See how you can pull this back? All right. Start by taking your secondary belt loose. You can just kind of flip that there. This will go way back so you can get this belt off, all right? So you got to get it through this piece here. All right, so it ain't the easiest to get around there. I think we can get that off of there. Take that off there. I think we get enough room now. Let's go take it off the motor. Looks like that might be relatively hard to get through there, but I think we'll get it through. All right, so you saw we kind of had to wiggle that through. Coming off the top. Compared to our original belt we're putting on. It's like the same one. Now the key is to try to sneak this one through again, just like we snuck that one off. Yeah, we snuck that in there. Now what we could do is go here. You got to make sure you're above the bar in the back, and we'll go tuck that through. Put it back on the engine. All right, on the engine, on the pulley wheel, you can see how that pulls. We do want to put this little cover, this dust shield back on there. All right, now the key here is to get this belt back on. This is your belt for your deck. See how that goes on? It's not all the way up here, so roll it up on here. All right. Hopefully we don't have it off anywhere else. That's on there. Oh, it should come off that other belt. Oh, we got a little issue over here. The belt come off. You put the tension back on the belt this way. The belt should be real tight. You can make sure everything's touching. Everything looks good. Put your cover back on. Oh, here's the factory belt we took out. You can see why we took it out right there. See where she's starting to crack? That's why we took this out. Now, you could save these. If you're mowing and it breaks down, you can put that on there and get a little bit more out. But that's why we bought another one. Keep in mind, there's like 500 hours on that belt, all right? Again, here's the number. Genuine OEM John Deere part replacement. All right. Thanks for watching the video. Let's fire this up and go see how it works. Like and subscribe. Will show you more quick how-to tips on your lawnmowers and other projects around the house. So don't forget, post notifications on. Don't miss anything. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.